Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how Robinhood Cash Sweep works. Robinhood is a popular investment platform that allows users to buy and sell stocks, options, and other securities. The cash sweep feature is a key component of the platform that helps users manage their cash balances. First, let's define what a cash sweep is. A cash sweep is a process that automatically transfers excess cash from your brokerage account to a separate account, typically a bank account or a money market fund. This process helps to reduce the risk of keeping large amounts of cash in your brokerage account and earns interest on your idle cash. Here's how Robinhood Cash Sweep works. When you have uninvested cash in your Robinhood account, the platform will automatically transfer the excess cash to a network of banks that participate in the program. These banks are all FDIC insured, which means your deposits are insured up to $250,000. The cash sweep program is designed to work seamlessly in the background, so you don't need to take any action to enroll or manage the process. Once you have cash in your Robinhood account, the platform will automatically sweep the excess cash into the program. For example, let's say you have $10,000 in your Robinhood account and you're not currently invested in any stocks or other securities. The cash sweep program will automatically transfer the $10,000 to a network of banks, where it will earn interest and be protected by FDIC insurance. It's worth noting that the interest rate earned on cash sweep balances may vary depending on market conditions. Additionally, the cash sweep program is only available to Robinhood customers who have a brokerage account with the platform. To get the most out of the cash sweep program, it's a good idea to keep your cash balances invested in a diversified portfolio of stocks, options, and other securities. This will help you earn higher returns over the long term and reduce the risk of keeping large amounts of cash in your brokerage account. In summary, Robinhood Cash Sweep is a convenient and secure way to manage your cash balances and earn interest on your idle cash. By automatically transferring excess cash to a network of FDIC-insured banks, the program helps to reduce the risk of keeping large amounts of cash in your brokerage account and provides a low-risk investment option for your excess cash.